Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been frustrated by the dreaded GCash Express Send error, don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just a few minutes, step by step, so you can get back to sending money without any hassle. Stick around until the end because I'll share a simple tip to prevent this issue from happening again. Step 1. Clear the GCash cache. First, open your phone's settings and head over to Apps or Applications. Find GCash in the list and tap on it. Inside the GCash app settings, go to Storage and hit Clear Cache. This step removes any temporary files that might be causing the error. Step 2. Force. Stop the GCash app. While you're still on the GCash app settings page, tap on Force Stop. This will completely shut down GCash and reset its current processes. When prompted, tap OK to confirm. Step 3. Update GCash and restart your phone now. Open the Play Store or App Store for iOS users, search for GCash, and make sure it's updated to the latest version. After updating, restart your phone. This gives your device a fresh start and helps the app run smoothly. Most Express Send errors happen because of corrupted cache data, outdated app versions, or background glitches. Clearing cache, forcing stop, and keeping the app updated fixes 90% of these problems. And that's it. Your GCash should now be working perfectly. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fixes and mobile money tips. Drop a comment if you have other GCash issues you'd like me to cover next.